All right, let's use text features in Google Docs once again to create a hyperlinked outline of our set of directions that you're going to be writing. The material, the idea for this comes from number 3 on page 299 at the end of our chapter. Content-wise, you need to refer there for what you're making your instructions out of. I just want to walk you through how to use those text features one more time. So here's all my information. I copied and pasted it from the directions that you've got in Google Classroom. Now I want to set this up. So I'm going to go up here to where it says normal text, and I'm going to select title. It automatically does this as its defaults. I don't really want to use Arial Black in that size in that way today, so I'm going to scroll around until I find something else for the directions that I'm going to create. Let's do this. I do still want it centered. I'd like it a little bigger, because why not? You're going to call yours whatever your directions are going to be about. I'm just calling it original instructions so I know what this assignment is. And then I'm going to be sure and go over here and update title to match so that if I need to change it or if I have another set of titles somewhere, it all goes together like I want it to. And now here it is over here on the side where my outline is going to populate. Here's my headings. And I'm going to make some changes and decide what I want them to look like so that they stand out. They could be the same font as this and maybe a little smaller. They could be something else entirely. I'm going to go with something else entirely. Let's pick, so many choices. Let's go with cursive, just so you can see what cursive looks like, because we can. And you can decide if this looks professional and easy to read or not. I'm thinking that's probably not going to be a good choice. Ew, Arvo would work. Here's Arvo. So Arvo 16, maybe I'll even make it a different color. We'll make it something bright that stands out. And so my section headings will look like this. I'm going to go back over here. I'm going to make heading 1. I'm going to update it so that it looks like this. And then as I put things in, maybe I've got a good idea for the troubleshooting guide. When I start in typing here, this is normal text. And whatever else it is I need to do, I could put in a numbered list, like up here with numbered steps. Insert my numbered list, start typing. I know I need to have at least 5 steps because these are kind of short directions, how to tie your shoes, how to shift gears in a car, whatever. And if I want to change this so that this formatting is different, and be sure and select it all, I can go up here to normal text and I can select and change that to something else. Maybe I want it the same font as this that's Arvo, but I don't want it blue and I don't want it that big. So I'm going to select Arvo and maybe 14 because that's kind of a small font and leave it black. I can change normal text to where it, no, I keep clicking the wrong place. To where it does, not that. You watched me. So here's Arvo, and I've got it like I want it. I'm going to hover over this, and I'm going to say update to match so that it is what I want it to be. Here's heading 1. Here's normal text that's going to look like this everywhere. Here's my numbered list. Here's everything else I'm going to put in there. And all of the formatting is set up for me so that now I can just write my beautiful instructions and be understood that much easier and put in whatever page breaks I need to put and jump to the parts that I want to work with and be sure I am where I think I am. So that's one more example of us using text features to make an outline. I hope that helped. Please stop and start and watch and know that if it doesn't exactly work the very first time, if you click on the wrong thing, you watched me do that, it's fixable. Now, go write amazing instructions and teach me how to do something, okay? Okay.